New tires for the Sportster. Oh no. Avon Cobras, baby. Alright, so I guess I'm doing a test ride on the V-Rod. So you should do a, what up, blockheads? Saw blockheads. Alright, so I've had a lot of requests for this video, basically to test ride the V-Rod. Actually, in a lot of videos where, like, you're riding with us, tons of people always ask, can you test ride your friend's white V-Rod? Like, they just assume you're going to let me ride it. What is with people just assuming that?
I won't let you ride that shit.
Alright, so specs on it. 2017 V-Rod, right?
Yep.
Akrapovic exhaust, heavy breather.
Stage 1.
Stage 1.
Yeah, I'm looking to put a 260 tire in the back, air ride in the back too.
Yeah, drags. What tuner do you have on it?
Dyno tuned.
Oh, it's dyno tuned?
They did the dyno.
Oh, here at Harley. Yeah, okay, cool. What's the engine size on it?
1250.
1250? But it's tuned so damn differently than a regular Harley. It redlines at like 11 or something? 9?
910.
Yeah, that's crazy. All right. Test riding the 2017 Harley V-Rod. Oh, okay. On here. Clutch in. And we're started, man. So we're gonna run to the gas station real quick and then we'll continue the test ride. Guess I'll go over some like the controls and stuff on the way. Oh, this feels so weird. I feel like I'm sitting like in the bike because of the seat. It's pretty awesome. Man, this thing it doesn't have any shake to it like a normal, like a Harley would. Dude, it's so smooth though. Alright, so just going over the controls first and foremost. It is your traditional Harley controls. On the left side you have your horn. Mine is like meep. You have your high beam indicator there. Low beam. No pass light, which is interesting. Dude, this thing feels cool. Puppy, puppy. Yeah, and then your left signal. Dude, the suspension is nice on this thing, man. Huh? Surprising. Or as low as it is. Ooh, brakes, man. Yeah, touchy. When I put this thing down. Okay. Filling up to 48. Ooh, man, starting the thing up is nice. Dude, these brakes, super sensitive. Dude. Oh yeah, the suspension is really nice on this thing. That's surprising. Alright, so going back over controls, on the right side you have your on-off or your kill switch. You have your starter and your right signal. Pretty traditional Harley controls. Here in the center, all your information. You have, and I actually love this about this bike, you have an analog mile per hour gauge. You have an analog RPM gauge on the left here, which goes up to, yeah, red line's at 9,000. It's freaking awesome. Clutch grab's a little far out. I'm gonna have to learn to hold the gears longer, man. I'm so used to shifting a Harley like really early. Yeah, and then on the right side you also have your analog fuel gauge, which is pretty cool. I don't know, man, maybe I'm old school, like that old school, the analogness. So ergonomics, this seat is mega comfy. It just like cradles you in, man. It holds you in because, I mean, these bikes have a lot of power, so you ain't sliding back out of this thing for sure. Forward controls, I don't feel cramped up at all. I mean, I feel like I'm sitting, you know, just like kind of squatted. So Lowrider S versus this thing, Javi beat me twice because the gears hold so much longer. Basically, like in second gear, he pulls on me like super easy. Oh shit! Look at that. Oh. Hell yeah. God. Holy hell. Dude, that's crazy. That is seriously crazy how much longer you can hold the gears on this thing. It scoots, man. Obviously V-Rod versus a Sportster. It's gonna kick its ass all day. Let's do a little V-Rod versus Lowrider S. Alright, it does have ABS. I think the little key light is on because he's got the LEDs installed on front and rear. So that little key light comes on because it's like an error message saying that like a bulb is out, but there's not actually a bulb out. It does have your gas light on the right side as well, but I mean you've got your gas gauge right there, which you can totally see. Battery light, check engine light. Indicators are all down here at the bottom as well. You do have what? Hydraulic clutch. You do have dual front disc brakes. See how it feels in the turns. Oh, bump. Feels good in the turns, man. This thing hauls ass, bro.
Try to drop more of the gear. Try more.
Keep it longer?
Yeah.
All right. You want to go? Head to head? Up to you. 20 roll? All right, from first? Yeah. All right, ready? Oh my God. The Lowrider S is quick. By the way, that's my Lowrider S. But dude, the fact that this thing has the ability to hang in the gears longer is where it shines. Oh, dude, this bike is really nice, man. I like it a lot. Oh my God, this thing is crazy. Whew. Bro, this thing is crazy, man.
Oh my God.
It's like the Lowrider S, man. The torque, you get me off the bat, right?
Come for me like I said.
Exactly, man. That ability to hang in the gears longer, bro. It eats up the other bike.
I want to push it down like a, sit down like a poof.
Yeah, like as you start hitting those higher, like into the higher RPMs, it's like you just kind of like start ducking down lower and lower.
I was top of third, doing pretty quick, and then I just see you in the rear view just come up and out.
Yeah, because both times you got the jump on me. Yo, that was crazy, sir. Yeah, what was that, a Lamborghini when we passed it, right?
Lamborghini Aventador.
Oh, that's a nice bike, dude. A lot of power. Hell of a lot of power. Yep. You get that adrenaline dump. It just keeps going and going. It's crazy that it's a cruiser. It has the Harley tags, but it doesn't have the Harley shake. You know, there's a lot of things about it. It's very different for Harley-Davidson, you know. It doesn't, I'm sorry, it doesn't feel like a Harley. Even though it is a Harley. It sounds like one. It sounds freaking great, and the performance is awesome, man. Like seriously, amazing. Thanks for letting me ride it, bro. You know what's funny is before I was looking at Sportsters, I actually liked the V-Rod. I was looking at the V-Rod. It first initially kind of attracted me to Harley, but the price tag is what I was like, nope. And then I end up buying that thing.
Be the same price.
Yeah, exactly. I like the same. I like it though, man. It's a lot of fun. A lot of fun to ride. You don't get uncomfortable like setting. Like the thing is, it's like you're kind of really scrunched up, but the ergonomics of it, like you've got your feet totally extended. It's comfortable for your legs, and you're what, 6 foot?
Probably 11.
Yeah, right about 6 foot.
Yeah.
Actually, can you sit on it real quick just to see what you look like on it? So 5'11", 6 foot, That's kind of how you set on it. Yeah, I mean, that's totally comfortable.
It is comfortable.
Yeah.
My drag bars are also a little bit, I mean, push a little bit back too, so it's not, they are not like...
What does it come with stock? Not the drags?
Like...
Oh, they come up a little bit?
Yeah, they come a little bit up.
So dual disc front, Akrapovic exhaust. Akrapovic. Little swing arm bag on the side. Passenger pegs for somebody that's totally crazy.
Yeah.
Could you imagine getting up to that speed, like somebody holding onto the back? Yeah.
Come on, Javi, get on the back.
That'll be the thumbnail. V-Rod test ride. Should have been vice versa. You're the smaller one.
Hey.
Hell yeah, dude. It's a nice ride, sir. Well, thanks for letting me ride it. I know a ton of people were requesting it, so there you go, guys. There's me test riding a V-Rod.
There you have it.
There you have it. If you guys are thinking about picking one up, they don't make them anymore, so...
There's two right now in these Harley.
Oh, yeah. One's used, one's brand new, right?
Yeah.
I can't really find too much to complain about it. It's a totally different breed of Harley, though. But, yeah.
Get back.
You what?
I can't hear anymore.
Yeah, oh yeah. There's a complaint, not from me. If you're riding it, the exhaust is fine. If you're behind it... Yo, I was on your right side, though, and the Basanis are pumping out.
But that was so muffled compared to when you came by me on that. It was crazy.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, you want anybody to go follow you, like, on Instagram or anything like that? No? You don't want the exposure? You want me to drop your tag right here? Yeah, all right, you guys go follow Javi on Instagram. Here's his screen name right here. Ah. Thanks again for letting me ride it. Overall thoughts? I like it. Doesn't feel like a traditional Harley, like a Dyna or like a Sportster. Has its own kind of feel to it, but it's not bad. It's really good, actually. It's super solid. I was really impressed at the suspension whenever we were going over those bumps and all that stuff there. Yeah, overall, awesome bike. If I could own one, if I had the expendable income, maybe. Anyways, if you guys liked the video, hit the like button. If you guys aren't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell icon while you're over there so it sends you notifications of future uploads, future activity, and all that. If you guys want some exclusive behind-the-scenes access, check out Patreon at patreon.com/blockheadmoto. What I mean by behind-the-scenes access is like this. We're going to line up our bikes. I'm going to take a photo, and that's going to be up before this video by like 3 weeks. So, yeah, you guys get the inside scoop. Patreon. Check it out. Till next time, you guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. I'll catch y'all later. Deuces. Deuces. All right. Later, guys.